Your promise that you make, it is more important than your promise that you do it for your puppy, or you do it for your girlfriend, or you do it for your boyfriend. So you promised that you will do it throughout your life, and after 8 months or after 6 months you are giving up on your. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here. You know, when I just started my entrepreneurial journey, I just promised myself. I promised myself that I'll never give up on this one particular goal that I always wanted. I promised financial freedom for myself. I promised that the one particular goal that I have in my mind, that is more important than anyone else in my entire life. Think about this. You can do anything in your life. You can try singing for 6 months, you can try skating for 6 months, you can try swimming for 6 months, and you can try anything, modeling or podcast or being a web designer or affiliate marketing, anything. But after 6 months, you feel like this doesn't really work. Think about this. Is this the right time to give up on it? You just started it without any other influence. Your life goal shouldn't be influenced by anyone else. Not because Tony Robbins said, not because Gary Vee said, not because I said, not because your parents said, not because your uncle Mark said, or not because someone else told you. You should do it just for you. And you should make a promise that you should work on that no matter whatever it happens, no matter how hard time gets, no matter how tough time you get in your life. That is the promise that you need to keep up. Your self-respect is more important in your life more than anything else. Your promise that you make, it is more important than your promise that you do it for your puppy, or you do it for your girlfriend, or you do it for your boyfriend. So you promised that you will do it throughout your life, and after 8 months or after 6 months you are giving up on your goals. Your goals are like your baby. I have said this a lot, and your goals are like your baby. It depends upon you to rise it up as a bigger person and make it as a great human. And if you just rise it well, one fine day it will make sure that your goals will rise you as well. Think about this. When you can't earn, if you have a passive income out of your goals, or out of your business, or out of your end goal that you always wanted, that will make sure when you cannot really work in your life, that will bring income, that will bring cash flow for you. And you are just thinking about this 6 months, the hard time, just because of that you are giving up on it. This is completely foolish. So try to keep up on that, try to work on that, and you will figure it out. If I have completely discovered, if I have completely known what are the things that I would do after 5 years back, I would have never started a business. If I would have known what are the hard times that I would have got in my business that I am getting now, or that I have experienced in my life and my business life, I would have never started a business. So that is the reason, guys. You need to face lots of problems in your life. That is the reason that you get lots of experience, and out of that experience you can work and you can become legendary for sure. So I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.